potato and cotton candy.
What is this, you know?
This is the chicken's house. It says it's only for dogs, but it's only for chickens.
Who ordered this one?
My dad.
Oh, finally, yesterday you got it, yeah?
Yeah, but this is how you open it if it's hard.
Yeah.
You can do like this.
Yeah. You like it?
I think, yeah.
The chicken like it?
Yeah, the chicken like it.
Oh, easy to fix, yeah?
Yeah, you just have to squeeze it and then squeeze
How
it.
can you take out and clean out the poop?
Oh, you just have to do like this and this.
Oh, yeah, that's very easy, yeah?
Yeah, but it just peed
We
before.
have to take out and clean up and bring, or we have to keep something in the tissue paper, and we have to take out, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, you put, how can you put back it again?
Put it back?
Yeah.
Oh, you put it like this. How you put it? Oh, like this. I don't think. Huh?
Like this, you don't know. I have legs. Wow, it's fine, easy, very nice. See, it has a wheel.
Yeah.
We can take it anywhere. See.
Yeah, and I can also sit on it. I'm not sure.
Okay,
I'm not sure if I can.
bye bye guys.